Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll be explaining how to replace your BRP with an e-visa under the recent changes to UKVI immigration laws. We will explain the three main steps of this process. Create a UKVI account, confirm your identity, link your account to your e-visa. First, you'll need to create a UKVI account. You can use the link the Home Office sent you by email or text. I've also added the link in the description below to make it easier for you. To create an account, you'll need your identity document, BRP or application number, date of birth, phone number, email address, and access to the UK Immigration ID Check app. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. You'll get more videos that way. Click the link to create your account. Click Start Now to get started. Now, answer these three questions to create your account. Have you ever had a BRP? Yes. Do you still have your BRP? Yes. Is your BRP valid? Yes. Who are you creating this account for? If you're creating it for yourself, select Me. Next, fill in your full name as it appears on your identification document. Then, select your country of nationality, and then click Continue. Next, select the identity document you are using. This refers to the document you used to create the account. Then, add your BRP number and the expiration date. Next, enter your date of birth. Next, you will be asked to confirm your email, address, and phone number by sending verification codes. After verification, it will ask whether you want to allow someone else to access your account. Then, you can do a final check and make any necessary changes before submitting your account. After submitting, you will receive an email confirming that you have successfully created your UKVI account. Now you're all set. Scroll down the page to sign into your account. To sign into your account, you need to select the identification document you chose when creating your account. We use the BRP. Then, enter your BRP number and your date of birth. After that, select a method to receive the OTP. Now, you need to link your e-visa to your account. Select Start to continue. From now on, I'll continue the video from my phone, as it makes it easier to demonstrate the next steps. When you click Start, you'll see these three main steps. Click Continue. To confirm your identity, make sure you have a phone with NFC near field communication capability. You need to download the UKVI Immigration ID Check app from the link provided. This app will help you verify your identity during the process. After opening the app, follow these steps. Take photos of your BRP. You will need to take clear pictures of both sides of your BRP Biometric Residence Permit. Make sure the details are visible in the images. Scan the BRP chip. Position your BRP over the NFC reader on your phone as instructed in the app to scan the chip embedded in the card. Facial scan. The app will prompt you to scan your face. Follow the on-screen instructions, and then take a picture of your face to complete the verification process. After completing these steps, you can review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, submit your details to proceed with the application for the next steps. Now you should see that your identity process has been completed. Next, select whether you are in the UK or not. Now that your location has been confirmed, you can select your preferred contact methods. Then, select and answer the security questions for your account. The final step is to review the declaration and submit your application. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.